Assalamualaikum and greetings. My name is Nur Izzati binti Muhammad Izrisha and we are from group 13. My group mates are Nur Najihah Natasha binti Jeffrey, Nur Sabrina binti Jamal Nazri, Muhammad Zuhairi bin Muhammad Abdul Naim, and Ng Chinko. Our title project is Branching Process of the Extinction of Families. Branching process of Markov chain. It consists of population growth, which is based on Dalton-Watson process. Every individual lives exactly 1 unit of time. It produces Y offsprings and dies, and all individuals reproduce independently. In our project, we let Zn be the size of population at time n, and the state of branching process can be noted as Zn, where Z0 must be always equals to 1. Objectives. The first one is to model a discrete time Markov chain model of branching process for family trees. Second, to estimate the probability of the family extinction for different families using the branching process. Third, to estimate the probability of family extinction for a combined family. Scope of study. First, branching process of family tree. Second, family extinction probability estimation. Third, assuming the variable and time of distribution. Fourth, combining of all group members' family extinction probabilities. Motivation. Our background problem is first, declining of fertility rate and causing extinction of family members. Second, lower fertility rate causing lower labor force to empower country growth. Our problem statements. First, what is the probability that the grandfather family will become extinct for every group member? Second, what is the probability of family extinction if all the family trees of group members were combined? Third, how does the family plan unit of hospital KPJ help in affecting the probability of family extinction? Okay, that's all from me. Next presenter, Nur Najihah Natasha.
Okay, thank you, Nur Izzati. Okay, now I'm going to continue this presentation by presenting on the results. So now let's take a look first at the Zuhairi's family. Okay, the probability for each generation at the 0 generation there is equal to 1, and the first generation is 1/13 since there are 13 members for the first generation, and the second generation is we are going to refer on for each family. For family 1 is equal to 1/3, family 2 is 1/4, family 3 and 1/7 and so on until family 13. Next. Okay, probability extinction. We choose n equal to 4 since its largest number for its highest frequency is equal to 4. And then we assume P is equal to 0.9. And then we calculate the value of P0, P1, P2, P3, and also P4 by using the binomial distribution formula. And then we substitute it into the extinction formula theorem. And we get the P0 is equal to 0.0010, which is the value of the probability of extinction for Zuhairi's family. Next. For Ng Chinko family, the 0 generation is equal to 1, and the first generation is 1/6, and the second generation is same like Zuhairi family counts. Okay, and then after that we calculate the binomial probability, which is for P0, P1, and P2 by using the binomial formula, and then we substitute in the extinction theorem, and then we get P0 is equal to 0.04, which is the value for the probability of family extinction for Ng Chinko family. Next. And then for Najihah's family, we can see that the frequency for this family is n is equal to 3. And then for the Sabrina, the frequency also n equal to 3. Okay, and Izzati also n is equal to 3. And then we can conclude that the probability extinction is n equal to 3 is the same as for Sabrina, Najihah, and also Izzati. And then we assume P is equal to 0.9, and then we calculate it using the binomial and to obtain the value of P0, P1, P2, and also P3, and then substitute it into the extinction theorem. And then we get 0.00102801 for the value for probability for extinction. Okay, next. So that's all from me. Thank you. This presentation we proceed with Sabrina.
Okay, next is assumption. There are some assumptions to be made before calculating the probability. First, the individual reproduced independently and interaction between different families is forbidden. Second, the number of individuals for the first generation of the several family are summed to calculate the probability of the producing a child. Third, the number of individuals for the second generation of the several family are summed to calculate the probability of the producing a child. Fourth, the family extension and child producing probability may vary if individuals are being affected by health issues or individual plan not to have children. The last one, the probability count are from the preliminary data and may vary with real situation as the change of giving birth is unpredicted. Next is the result for the family tree for all group members. We can see the probability of each generation. 0 generation is 1. The first generation is 1/32. Second generation is 1/104. Probability of the extension, we choose n or equal to 3 since it has the largest frequency. Then we assume P equal to 103/104. Then we do the calculation using the formula, and then we get the pi naught equal to 8.8498 times 0 power of -7, since it's the smaller value among the value of the probability of extinction. Next, lastly, conclusion and suggestion. First, branching process as a good methodology to determine the probability of your family extension. Second, family tree help to determine the size of population for family. Third, probability of family extension from all group member is low. Then there are many family member for every group member. Fifth, family plan unit help in maintaining the number of children within the family to avoid heavy financial burden. And last one, family planning unit of hospital KPJ may help to provide the maintenance service to prevent the family extension. I think that's all from us. Thank you.